When your Nintendo Switch controller buttons stop responding or feel inconsistent, it can make gaming frustrating. So this time, I'm going to try out some methods to fix button issues on your controllers. So let's get started. Fix 1. Quick Calibration. From the home menu, go to System Settings. Scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, look for Calibrate Control Sticks. Your problem may be button related, but this is also important for the fix. Open it. Now tilt the stick you want to calibrate according to the position shown in the screen. On the calibration page, press X to calibrate. Follow the prompts to finish the calibration. After that, go back. Find Test Input Devices and open it. Choose Test Controller Buttons to see which ones aren't responding correctly. Make sure to press all the buttons to find the problem. If any are stuck or laggy, continue to the next fixes. Fix 2. Detach and reattach JoyCons. Behind your Nintendo Switch, press the detaching button on one of your JoyCons and slide it up to detach it completely. On the right side of your JoyCons, you will see this round-shaped button in the middle. It's this small button over here. Press on it to completely turn off your Joy-Con. Now press and hold the same button until the light indicator pops up. Repeat this for the other Joy-Con as well. Once it's done, reconnect from your Switch. Try testing the buttons again. This resets the controller connection slightly. Fix 3. Reset controller connection. From your Switch home screen, go to System Settings. Scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, scroll down to the bottom. Select Disconnect Controllers. Follow the on-screen process to disconnect. After that, repair your controllers by attaching them or syncing again. Fix 4. Update the controller firmware. Go to System Settings again. Scroll down and select Controllers and Sensors. On the right, look for Update Controllers and select it. If there's a firmware fix for button responsiveness, this will apply it automatically. That's how to fix Nintendo Switch controller buttons that aren't working properly. If this video helps you out, then go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Nintendo tutorial just like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.